Hey YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to do a couple of different things in this particular video. We are going to do this cat eye gel with this stronger magnet that I purchased. There's it's square on one end and circle on the other end. We're going to try a couple of different designs. So let's get started. Well, the other part of the video is going to be the new colored chromes that I purchased from Wish. Everything that in this video, minus the black gel polish that I had to do for the chrome, was purchased for $1.90. So let's get into the video. So the first color there's no names, so I do apologize. There's no names for these. So this is like a shift between gold, red, and green. So we're going to pop that in the lamp. And then the next color. And the key with gel is applying it really thin. I think this one's going to be my favorite because it has purple and green and gold in it. Some more purple shift. So I'll come back once I have the proper amount of coats on here, and then we'll finish it. Okay, so I'm on the second coat. I'm letting it cure for 30 seconds in between. And so what I'm figuring out is that I should have put a black base underneath these cat eyes, because for some reason these ones are particularly thin compared to my other cat eyes, which are a lot thicker and they can sustain on their own. So trial and error. So I'll be back. Okay, so I just put the third coat on, and it's a lot better. This is wet. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our magnet and lay it over the top, not touching. Ooh, this is what I was talking about. That is gorgeous. And this is our third coat for this one. So now we're going to try to use the circle end, which is my first time using this. So let's just see how this works. Yep, and I touched it. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. I really like this magnet. And I only paid $1 for it. So I'm going to get rid of that other magnet because I don't like it. That's our third coat. And so let's try this one. Oh, and I put that underneath. Let me see if I can. And see, I put that underneath. That is, oh, I'm loving this magnet. We're going to let that cure. And then I'll show you how I label so I can remember what polish is what. And therefore, when my clients come and they say, oh my goodness, I love this color, I don't have to try to fumble and find the color or open the containers, because like this one, there's no real label on it, but there's a label underneath. So you'll see. Okay, so, ooh, look at that. So, how I do mine so that my clients know exactly what it is. So I'm just going to pick a couple keywords off here. If my camera will focus. So I'm going to put cat eye, UR01, and then this one is by Sugar. Well, UR be right there on the bottle, so I'll know that this one belongs to this bottle. I'll have to pick the bottle up. So now, get these out the way. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so now what I'll do is, this is one of my new no wipe top coats that I purchased from Koopa. I think that I like it, and I'm not 100% sure if I do, but I think that I do. So what I'm going to do so this doesn't go away, I am going to lay top coat on it, which will seal it. And then we are going to seal this in. And remember, it's a no wipe, so I don't have to wipe it once it comes out the lamp. Now this is a UV, so you have to put this in. This particular top coat is a UV, so you have to put in a UV lamp for 2 minutes. So that was that one. And then this is what it cured. So what we're going to do is do the same thing when we label, and we're going to put cat eye, UR02, UR02. And again, we're going to seal this so that it doesn't come off with a little bit of my top coat. And I know I probably should be using a cheaper top coat, because this one was expensive. It was like $20 for that bottle, this one bottle. And I ordered 2. To seal my design in. And we'll throw this in the lamp. And I'm pretty sure if we had done a black base, that these cat eyes will be so much stronger. So I knew that. I was just trying to take the easy way out, which I should not have. And so this one is going to be cat eye, UR03. Now, mind you, I have all my swatches color coded, so these won't be directly next to each other. They'll be in its color class, even though I know it's kind of hard to say what color class they're in due to it being a cat eye. But that's just how I do my colors. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm going to show you actually. I'll pop that in the lamp for 2 minutes. I'm going to actually show you another cat eye. So these are all the colors that I own, and everything's color coded. Let's see if I can find another cat eye so I can show you the difference. This gold, oh my goodness, this gold is everything, and it's by OPI. So my new chromes that I'm getting ready to do will go in here with these chromes. I messed up because I thought I made the lamp, I cut the lamp on and I didn't, and I left the house, and when I came back I had to cure it that way. But this one is one of my favorites. So I think my cat eye is on another ring because I have 3 or 4 different rings because I have so many colors. Okay, so you see this cat eye? It's nowhere near, and this is on a black base. It's nowhere near as strong. Well, that's almost the same color as this one. This is the new magnet. This is the old magnet. And this is what it did. And I absolutely hated it. And I actually don't use cat eye because of this. Because this is what I want to see here. Because I actually have clients that ask me for the cat eye, and I just refuse to do it. Because I do not like... Okay, so now we're gonna do we're gonna mess around with these chromes that I'm super excited about. Now I would use the one that came packaged, but it's almost the same. I'm gonna just put that to the side and use the ones that I'm accustomed to. Hopefully it works the same. So these are from Dollar Tree. They're more on a rubber side, which I like because I put the powder. Let's just show you. Okay, so this is like that red color. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so my experience with these chrome powders is less is more. So I'm gonna dab it in, this is not really picking up like the expensive stuff. And we're gonna dab it on, and then we'll rub it in. Oh, I don't like this. Because what I did was 2 coats of black and then a no wipe top coat. This is definitely not doing. I mean, it has a hue of red, but you can barely see it. Okay, well, I'm not a fan of this one. We're gonna throw this away. Good thing I only paid either $1 or 90 cents for these. My other favorite one was this purple one. So I hope this purple one don't do me like this red one just did. Because this was another favorite. Let's see if we can open it. Look at this. It is so pretty. Okay, so we're going to grab another one and a new swatch. Okay, well, let's see. Oh, it did the same thing. Well, actually, this didn't go on at all. Fail. Yeah, this didn't go on at all. This might be, I'm guessing this is gonna be probably one of the glow in the darks. Oh, I'm really disappointed. Because those were the two like that I really wanted. I'm actually gonna clean this one off. Because that didn't stick at all whatsoever. Okay, so let's look at this one. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try one of theirs. And let's see if theirs work. That just went everywhere. I hope it's not on my face. Well, little goes a long way, huh? Okay, so dipped it in. I get it all over my lamp. Then we turn it over to burnish it in. You guys, this stuff is a total fail. And I think they sent me too many of these. Okay, let's clean it off. Okay, so I'm not even gonna waste any more. And we're just gonna mark this up as a fail for this one. But what I do want to do is, because this is like that mermaid one, I want to show you another one that I paid a little bit more money for. And so you can see the difference. And this is by Light Elegance. Oops. That popping out just got stuff everywhere. So this is by Light Elegance. The consistency is different as well in this one and in that one. The the more expensive one, because this is more of a feels more like a super fine glitter.